In 1919 they formed in Milan. Frontline veterans broke command with a plan. Called themselves fasci, the bundle in hand, a Roman symbol for power and command. Disillusioned soldier, hunger and blame, Italy humiliated, searching for a name. Blackshirts marching through the squares, from the fields to the city air. Flags of empire, boots in line, they said the future would be theirs this time. They cracked down strikes with fists of steel. Landlords smiled, the peasants kneel. Violence spread like fire uncontrolled. The red flags burned, the black took hold. From squadristi raised to rising fame, the nation trembled as they came. Blackshirts marching through the square, from the fields to the city air. Oh, the promise fear defined. They said the future would be theirs this time. 22, the march on Rome. King Victor let the deuce take the throne. Parliament bowed, the press confined, the voice of freedom left behind. Laws rewritten, oath and chain, fascio and nation became the same. Blackshirts marching through the squares, from the Alps to the southern line. Hands and saluted, the drums combined. They said the future would be theirs this time. In the late 20s, squads became the state. The Ovra listened in every street. Children were taught to chant the Deuce's name. The church signed treaties to coexist. Ethiopia was invaded in 1935. The League of Nations protested, but sanctions failed. Foreign volunteers joined in Spain, fighting for Franco beneath the same black flag. By 1938, racial laws divided Italians. When war erupted, they marched beside Germany. Defeat came in Africa and the Balkans. In 43, Mussolini fell, but the Blackshirts reappeared under the Solo Republic. By 45, they faced the reckoning. No more parades, only surrender and shame. Uniforms burned as the cities bled. Old allies gone, the Ducey dead. History turned its ruthless hand over ashes of a broken land. The echo fades, the march is done. Italy stares into a rising sun. Blackshirts fading in the rain. No more empire to proclaim. Statues fall and ghosts remain. They said the future, but the past remains.